Guys, send this video to anyone with chronic mouth or teeth problem, cavities, mouth odor, sinusitis, diabetes that causes mouth odor or mouth odor that comes from having sinuses. Natural ingredients I found on the internet somewhere. Someone was talking about it and I tried it. It works like magic. 4 ingredients from your kitchen: baking soda, clove powder, sea salt, Himalayan sea salt. This one you need to buy if you don't already use it. And coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. Okay, 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. Melt it, just put it in hot water to melt. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and half teaspoon of clove powder. You can buy it from the spice section. It looks like I found one in a bottle that looks like a nutmeg bottle. Then mix these 3 together: the baking soda, the coconut oil, and the clove powder. Half teaspoon of clove powder. It's very powerful. Then mix it. Use it to brush a pea-sized amount on your toothbrush. You brush in the morning, all your mouth odor gone. You smell as fresh as anything. Even when you wake up in the morning, your mouth will still be super fresh. Okay? Then when you finish brushing, rinse. Put warm water in a glass or cup. Put half teaspoon of that pink sea salt. This is a powerful way to remineralize your teeth and help your teeth get all the minerals that it's lacking. You know, calcium supports your bone health, and your teeth is a bone. So it builds itself from the calcium, from the minerals you've given it. So calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, they are all in abundance in that sea salt. You don't need to swallow it. Just mix it, half teaspoon, in a warm cup of water. Put it in your mouth after brushing with this. Swish it around for like 60 seconds and then spit it out. All your cavities will be building back by themselves and healing. Your mouth odor will be gone. Doesn't matter what you're suffering from. This clove kills all the bacteria that makes your mouth stink. So do it and let me know in the comment section if it worked for you. In my free time when I'm not working as a remote worker, I use my free time to research natural ways to heal myself of different things. I used to have these terrible migraines, especially around my period. I found a cure for it through nutrition, not pills. Okay? You should not be loading your kidneys with a bunch of pills that you don't know what they're made of. Okay? So if you want me to tell you how I got rid of my migraines, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video for you. And I also cured my chronic ulcer. I vomited blood sometime because of ulcer. So I cured it completely, went for an endoscopy, and it was confirmed that I no longer had ulcers, just from one simple ingredient. Let me know if you also want to know about that. I also cured poverty, personal poverty, with remote work. Okay? It doesn't matter if you're married to a rich man, money is not sexually transmitted. So your husband will give you what he wants to give you, when he wants to give you, but that money that you get to spend without permission is priceless. That's your own. That's your freedom. Okay? Let your husband spoil you when he wants, but you should also have the freedom to spend money on yourself, on your family, on your children, when you feel like it. Because, let's face it, your husband doesn't have to agree with you for everything that you feel you need to spend money on. But if you have some money that is yours, you can spend it how you want. Okay? But then remote work takes like 4 weeks, at least, to learn and start making money. And it's very time consuming, and time is literally money. I get paid per hour. So time is money. That's why I cannot teach you remote work for free. It's time consuming and it will make you a millionaire. So you need to invest something to get to that point. Okay, so that's why I won't teach that one for free. That's why you have to join my community. You have to learn how to be a remote worker. You have to pay to get that knowledge. But for anything that I heal myself of with natural ingredients and my personal research, I'm willing to give you. Just ask me. Okay? Bye. Let me know if it worked for you in the comments. Okay? Send this to anyone that when they speak, you pull back. Okay? Or you wake up in the morning and your mouth stinks even to you. you found your forever toothpaste. No toothpaste comes close. I challenge all the companies that make toothpaste. None comes close to what these 4 ingredients will do for your oral health.